Students, we are studying branches of new economic policies. We have completed liberalizations. Now we will understand the privatizations, right? Privatization is the general process of involving the private sector in the ownership of operation of state-owned enterprise, right? Means here is the we can say that some restrictions had been effaced and it is open for the private sectors, and they can decide it what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce, right? This is the freedom for the privatizations. What are the policy of the full privatizations? First is construction of public sectors, means the public sector will be reduced, abolish the ownership of government, right? The government ownership will be removed and the management of the public enterprises, sale of share of public enterprises, right? Now understand objective of privatization. What are the objective of privatization? Why do we need the privatizations? First is raising funds and disinvestment, improving the financial condition of the government also, bringing healthy competition within an economy and making way for foreign direct investments. These are the some objective for the privatization. Now the most important thing is, students, we understand step taken under privatization. What are the steps? Privatization refers to opening up the private sector to industries that were previously reserved for the government sector. This chiefly involves selling the PSU, private sector undertaking, to private players. Means whatever the public sector, they involved to selling the private sector and undertaking to private players. This was meant to remove the political interference in PSU, public service sector undertaking, which was making them models of inefficiency. इसमें ये किया गया, जो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर के जो इंडस्ट्री थी उसको प्राइवेट को सेल किया गया और उसके प्राइवेट सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग बनाए गए, राइट? और द फॉलोइंग स्टेप वेर टेकन अंडर द प्राइवेट सेलिंग शेयर ऑफ द PSU, मीन्स प्राइवेट सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग to the public and financial institutions. For example, share of Maruti Udyog Limited were sold to private parties. This was earlier, this was the undertaking of the government. This investment in PSU means selling PSU to the private sector. The public sectors undertaking to private sector undertaking. The number of industries that were reserved for the public sector was decreased from 17 to only. These are the transport and railway. Only some industries reserved for the public sector. One is transport and railway, atomic energy and mining of atomic minerals. ये जो इंडस्ट्री है सिर्फ जो है प्राइवेट से गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर के लिए और पब्लिक सेक्टर के लिए रिजर्व रखी गई, बाकी जो है प्राइवेट को दी गई अंडरटेकिंग, राइट? तो वी अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द प्राइवेटाइजेशन हियर. Thanks for watching this also.